Well, as school lets out for the summer, law enforcement is stressing the importance of educating inexperienced teen drivers.
It's to prepare them for some of the most dangerous driving days of the year. WNCT's Nikki Crossway joins us with more on their efforts. Nikki.
That's right, Ken. The time period between Memorial Day and Labor Day is known as the 100 deadliest days for teen drivers on the road. Today, I spoke with parents and teens who are getting firsthand experience on the risk behind impaired driving.
My daughter, Sarah Edwards, was 18 and she passed away in the middle of reading a text message.
In 2011, Tracy O'Carroll lost her daughter after she became distracted by her cell phone while driving. For the past 7 years, Tracy has been traveling the country sharing her daughter's story and educating both parents and teens on the risk of unsafe driving.
The text message is not worth your life or anyone else's life. It took my daughter's life. A simple text message. Dozens
of teens and parents gathered today in Greenville to hear Tracy's message and to participate in the Ford Driving Skills for Life Parent Academy.
The period from Memorial Day to Labor Day is what's called the 100 deadliest days for teens. It's the time when they're out on the road, more so than other times of the year.
Participants took part in several activities to not only understand the risk of texting and driving, but also drunk driving. Teens are suiting up in drunk suits like this one to learn more about hearing and vision impairments when intoxicated behind the wheel. Teens also took part in driving golf carts with fatal vision goggles and a seatbelt convincer. Parents got an opportunity to look at new features installed in vehicles to control their kids' cell phone activity behind the wheel. The purpose of the program isn't to scare teen drivers, but to educate them. Tracy's youngest daughter says it's important to educate people young before an accident can scar their life forever.
I went and got my license today. I don't want to drive today. I don't want to drive ever. I don't like it. It scares me.
More than 1,000 people were killed in crashes involving teen drivers in 2016 during the 100 deadliest days. For more information on Ford's safe driving program, visit our website, WNCT.com. Nikki Crossway, 9 on your side.